Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking feather brows. You guys have been asking over and over for an updated brow routine, and here it is. I have been using different products instead of soap. Back in the day, I was like a huge soap brow fanatic. But I found a product that I have become obsessed with that actually holds my brows in place better than soap, which I never thought I would say. And I have the most wiry brows of all time. They're thick, they're stubborn, they do their own thing. So if you have brows like me and you want them to look like this, then go ahead and keep watching. All you're gonna need is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This product is just amazing. Like, I cannot get over how amazing this is. It lasts me in the heat. It lasts me through any weather. It's amazing. And then just a brow spoolie to just brush your brows up, and you'll see what I mean. I already have my full makeup on, so I usually start with brows. This time I'm ending with brows, which is a little weird, but hopefully we can still get the same vibe. So I'm gonna brush the product back and forth, up and down, just making sure that we are fully lacing each individual hair with product. Now we're gonna start laying it down. So this might look a little different because there's makeup around my eyebrows, which I wish I would have thought ahead and not done that, but anyway, what can you do? So I'm flattening everything out, and then I'm gonna take that spoolie and just brush them upwards. Yeah, as we can see, the makeup's coming off, but whatever, we'll just reapply that makeup in that area. And then if you need to just take a little bit more product, go ahead and do it up. This dries quite quickly. So in comparison to my old go-to, which was soap brows, I would definitely say that this is better because it lasts way longer and it's just amazing. This product is truly amazing. So once you have everything glued down flat, I love just brushing them down, and there you have that lifted look. So this is kind of the comparison for you. No brow anything versus the lifted brow. And then I'll show you how simple it is for me to fill it in. So I'm just gonna grab the Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen, and just in the areas where we see some sparseness, which is like right here, I'm just gonna pop on some brow product, and it's that simple. Like, literally, normally I would just underline the brow with a little bit of concealer, which kind of, it's already established, but we can reestablish it a little bit. So I like taking the MAC, the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. So this is just the MAC Cream Concealer. Don't mind how crazy that palette actually looks. But usually I just take it and underline the brow just to create a nice, clean, freshly done effect to the brows. And then I blend it into my product that's already there. And look at that. Look at that lifted brow in comparison to the brow with nothing on. Like, I am obsessed. So I'm not sure if it's worth it to show it again, but I'm gonna show it on this side too, just to kind of go over a little bit of a reminder of what we literally just saw 2 seconds ago. But I'm fully coating each brow hair, brushing them up and down. And then I am gonna go ahead and press it down to the face yet again, grabbing my spoolie, and I'm just gonna brush these babies up and a little bit to the side. And immediately, I love how this lifts everything. It just makes everything amazing. And I have been doing my eyebrows myself for years. Like, even prior to the pandemic, my brows were getting done a little bit too thin for my liking. And I loved my brow lady. She was amazing, but I just felt like every time I went, they were just getting thinner and thinner, which I wasn't really the biggest fan of. So I decided to give them a break and let them grow out. And now I can just do whatever I want. And you guys may, if you were following me for a long time, you may have seen where my brows kind of started off in terms of my brow journey. when soap brows came in, they were really thick. Like they were thick. Like she was thick with 2 C's. And I was just like, all right, like I'm just living. I don't know how I feel. But now looking back, I'm like, oh my God, they were really thick. But whatever. We just kept evolving with the brows. The one thing that I will say about doing your brows after applying your makeup is I hate it. I just thought for the sake of the YouTube video that whatever, it might go smoother if I had the rest of my face already on. I had other content to film too, but yeah, now I'm just like, what? So make sure you wipe the surroundings of the brow because you end up getting some extra product from the glue, like the brow gel, like around the brow. So I'm just wiping that off. So it's not really helping that I've already set my face here. Oh, my eyebrow, my forehead looks so red. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the concealer, or sorry, the foundation that I used. Today I used the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I tried it for the first time. Side note, I know we're not even talking about this, but I tried it for the first time today and it was actually so good. I am shook. Okay, I hope this is gonna be okay. Like, what am I even doing here? Like, what? I'm just trying to blend around and not interfere with that hard work we just put in for our brows. Okay, it's okay. I shouldn't have set my forehead with powder. I wasn't thinking, I'm not gonna lie. But it's looking all right. But yeah, I love the finish of this foundation. It looks so pretty. My mom actually came in and saw my makeup and she actually commented on how flawless my skin looked today. So that was a big deal for her to say. So I'm pretty happy. And now I guess I'll just lightly set a little bit of powder. Just the Laura Mercier translucent. And ta-da! You are done. That is it. It is the most simple thing ever. I also love to highlight my brow bone. So I'm just gonna take the MAC Whisper of Guilt and just pop a little bit of that on the brow bone. So those are the brows, guys. They are so simple to achieve. They are quick. As long as you practice, I feel like you'll get the hang of it really, really quickly. I love how these feathered brows look. And that concludes the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Would you try this at home? Do you already do it? I like the fact that you can do this and it looks like the laminated effect, but you don't have to commit to it. Like one day you could do regular brows. The other day you could do feathered brows. Like you could switch it up per day. And that's what I honestly love about makeup in general, is that you don't really have to commit to it. You could just wash it off. So you could have like a black lip and then you could wash it off and the next day do a red or a nude. Like that just to me is what makes makeup so fun and exciting, because it's something new every single day. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to link my most recent video right here for you to check out, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.